I'm Pilar Bewley from Mainly Montessori, and I am super excited to tell you all about the Montessori lesson sequence timeline. I created the timeline because the members of my online community kept telling me that the traditional Montessori albums were too confusing and overwhelming, and boy were they right. So what I did was I took all of the AMI elementary topics for the 6 main academic subjects, and I laid them out over a 7-year span, from kindergarten through 6th grade. The timeline covers geography, biology, history, language, math, and geometry, and each subject is subdivided into focus areas. I aligned the lessons with the United States academic standards to ensure that parents can help their children meet benchmarks. But the uninterrupted 7-year layout of the timeline also ensures that you can adapt to your own country's standards and also follow your child's interests and development, regardless of their age or official grade level. Now let's take a look at how the lesson sequences work. Let's say you want to start teaching your 8-year-old about squaring. You would go to the squaring topic in the timeline and you'd click the link. A lesson sequence will immediately come up, which usually starts with notes for the adult. You'll find links to purchase materials from reputable vendors. And I've also included tons of links for free or low-cost printables of the highest quality, which I use in my own homeschool, because Montessori doesn't have to be expensive. Whenever relevant, you'll also find links to supportive resources like books or websites. Lessons can be printed out and include pictures and step-by-step guidance. Many lessons also include follow-up ideas or extensions. And when your child seems confident with the concepts in the first lesson, you'll be ready to give the next lesson in the sequence. As your child nears the end of the sequence, you'll easily be able to see which topics you can go to next. I've also created a growing library of videos that show you how to present key lessons in each subject area. These videos are available as part of an optional monthly membership to the Montessori Homeschool Hub. And you'll also get a ton of other Hub benefits, including group coaching calls, a huge FAQ vault, Hub Kids, where our children can share their projects, and the Hub's 6-step approach that's guaranteed to lead you from confusion to confidence in your homeschool journey. I've made the timeline and the Hub 2 separate resources that work beautifully together so that you can choose what's best for your current homeschooling needs. Your timeline purchase gives you lifetime access to the online timeline with all the downloadable links and includes free updates and a printable version of the timeline. And the optional Hub membership can be purchased on a monthly or yearly basis to give you maximum flexibility as your needs evolve. Please visit our FAQ section if you have any questions about the timeline or the Hub, or just send me a message. I'd love to get to know you better. My goal is to empower you so that you can give your child an authentic Montessori education at home. Homeschooling doesn't have to be overwhelming. Let's work together to make the most of this learning journey.